Continuing our journey through southwestern Ontario, we find ourselves in Crystal Beach, Ontario.
Where's Crystal Beach? Well, Crystal Beach is an hour and 45 minutes outside of the GTA. You're 25 minutes from Niagara Falls, 15 minutes from Fort Erie, and only 15 minutes from the Peace Bridge. That's the United States border crossing to Buffalo.
You're going to want to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon because these videos are going to take you on a tour like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not in the Caribbean. We are still in Crystal Beach. Although it's a beautiful windy day, it is November and it is still glorious. This is a place you can enjoy all year long.
So this is a beautiful beach house that's perched along Lake Erie. Crystal Beach is best known as Canada's south coast with white powdery beach sand. Not only are these gorgeous homes along the beachfront, but just a short walk across the road you can enjoy some existing residential. There's many new development that are coming into Crystal Beach and a lovely walkable community all just steps away from the waterfront.
So moving to Crystal Beach means the beach. It's all about the beach lifestyle here. These beaches are unimaginable. You won't even realize you're in Ontario. There's so much recreation. We've been watching kayakers and wind sailors all day coming in and out of the water, and it is November the 4th, people.
So Crystal Beach is a small community that's just south of Ridgeway. So you have all of your local little shops here. You've got great parks, great recreation, nature trails. However, if you need to do some shopping, you can just jump in your car, go to Ridgeway, you're a few minutes up the road, or better yet, short drive to Fort Erie, less than 10 minutes, where you find all your big box stores. Everything's so close by here, you'll want for nothing.
And we would love to share more insights on Crystal Beach. There's just not enough time in this short video. So please contact us in the description box below. You'll find all of our details. We'd love to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to continue with us on our journey of exploring Southwest Ontario, please be sure to watch some of our other videos in the playlist above. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos.